One of the features of the Windows 10 Photo app is searching your photo collection for people, places, and things that will be automatically tagged for you. The Import application allows you to take advantage of all the work done by the Photo app. In the special dialog, the recognized parts are available as source for an import. For instance, all people who already got a name. The locations. The timeline with several options for the resulting tag structure. But also the things recognized by the Photo app with a certain confidence it really matches. Even photos from OneDrive may be included. After OK, a dataset is created and opened. You can now decide how to proceed with the import. Have fun with it, especially using Smart Views for making combinations.